Hi, my name is Anya. A while back, my grandmother bought me some dates and they've been sitting in the cupboard and I really wanted to use them. So for today, I'll be making a date cake with a hot butterscotch sauce. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified every time I upload.
In a bowl with 250 grams of pitted dates that have been roughly chopped, add in 1 teaspoon baking soda and 1 cup of hot water. Give it a mix and allow to sit for 30 minutes. Adding baking soda is for 2 reasons. Firstly, to soften the dates, and secondly, it causes the heavy batter to rise. In a bowl with 125 grams of softened butter, mix until pale in color. Then add in 3/4 cup of sugar and mix until light and fluffy. Next, add in a pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. And mix. Add in 2 eggs, one at a time. Making sure the previous egg is well combined before adding in the next egg. Add in 2 cups of self-raising flour and mix until smooth. If you don't have self-raising flour, you can substitute with 2 cups of flour and 2 teaspoons baking powder. Add in the date mixture and mix until everything is well combined. Spoon batter into lined baking tin and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 40 to 45 minutes. Next is the butterscotch sauce. In a pot over medium heat, add in 50 grams of butter and 1 cup of packed brown sugar. Allow it to melt, stirring constantly. Once melted, add in 300 ml of cream, and mix to combine. Invert the cake onto a serving plate. Remove the baking paper. Pour the hot butterscotch sauce over the cooled cake. Cut a slice of cake, top with more sauce and some ice cream, and you have the perfect slice. This cake is so moist. I hope you enjoy.